Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to pre-cook dal for use in your favourite curry. To make 4 portions, you need 100 grams of split red lentils, 600 millilitres of water, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped or pureed garlic, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped or pureed ginger, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of mixed powder or curry powder. Add the oil, salt, sugar, garlic, ginger, mixed powder, lentils, and water to the pan and bring to a boil. Reduce to a simmer and stir every couple of minutes to ensure the lentils do not stick and burn. After 30 minutes, the lentils should be a soft mush, so turn off the heat and allow to cool. Then split into 4 portions and refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze for up to 6 months. To use, simply remove from the freezer 15 minutes before and add your favourite curry. I'll be adding my dansak recipe shortly, which uses this pre-cooked dal as one of the ingredients. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.